Everything we do at Know4 is about helping businesses prepare for tomorrow with confidence, and we have something special to share. For the 5th year running, we've been selected as part of Microsoft's Inner Circle for AI for Business Solutions, putting us in the top 1% of partners globally. So what does this mean for you? It means closer collaboration with Microsoft, earlier access to innovation, and allows us to help you transform, modernise and thrive.
It's proof we deliver real business value, from designing customer engagement strategies in Dynamics 365, building Power Apps and automations to streamline operations, and unlocking analytics with Power BI. It means you're working with a partner trusted by Microsoft to redefine sales, service and marketing, getting you early access to new features and direct insight into the future of AI and automation.
So being in the top 1% of Microsoft partners globally basically means we're in the Champions League of Microsoft partners, which is not bad for a little company from Derby. Now, being that Derby are never going to get in the Champions League, that's probably as close as we're ever going to get. But what it does mean is that we have the inside track on emerging technologies for Microsoft before anyone else does. And it means we can be the ones who bring it to real-world application first. It also means that if there's any roadblocks or any problems, we have an inside line to Microsoft to get them fixed really, really quickly. Now, this is all thanks to our amazing employees and our staff and the passion they put in every single day.
We are more than a provider, we're a trusted advisor. We help our clients cut through the complexity and align their goals to Microsoft's strategic vision, whether it be Dynamics 365, Power Platform or AI business applications. Our relationship with Microsoft leaders means that our solutions are backed up with deep expertise, meaning that we can build around what matters most to the customer, ensuring that we're aligning to their goals.
In the public sector, AI and business applications are changing the game. We've worked with NHS trusts to work smarter, we've digitalised fire risk assessments for East Sussex Fire and Rescue, and we've transformed customer engagement for Caledonian Sleeper. Inner Circle status proves we're not just delivering, we're innovating, we're solving real problems, and we're making a difference where it counts.
Inner Circle status gives our AI Centre of Excellence direct access into Microsoft's AI strategy as well as their technology roadmap. This means we can deliver future-proof solutions to our clients using innovative technology such as Microsoft Copilot agents that can deliver AI directly into everyday business process. Every project we deliver is why Microsoft trusts us and so can our clients.
This Microsoft status is a reflection on the trust you, our clients, have put in us and the great results we're achieving together. The future's bold, it's digital, it's fueled by AI, and we're excited to shape it with you.